Assalamu alaikum dear students of Yusuf School System. I am your maths teacher. Students, this is week 2 video lesson number 2. Today we will discuss topic multiplication with regrouping from chapter multiplication and division. What are the learning objectives of this video? Today we will learn that multiplication is one of the basic skill of mathematics. Solve problems including with regrouping, and we will able to solve multiplication by using objectives and picture representations. There is a warm-up activity for you, and it is from the multiplication tip video that we have learned from video number 1. So starting from the ones, to ones are 2, to 2s are 4, and now do this one. 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. Now let's do this one. 7 4s are is 28. So 28 is a tens value, means consisting of 2 tens and 8 ones. So I will write here like 28. I am writing for you. I using this ones value here and taking this 2 as a carry. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 equals to 14. Example, what is 4 multiplied by 23? So starting with the ones, 4 3s are 12. Okay ji, it's a regrouping. So 4 3s are 12, and 12 means 1 10 and 2 ones. So I will write 2 here and take 1 as a carry. Okay, then 4 2s are 8, and 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So this is my 9. So the answer will be 92. Example is that what is 212 multiply with 4? So what is the answer when multiply 212 with 4? As usual, we are starting from the ones. 4 2s are 8, and 4 1s are 4, and 4 2s are, which is your 100 place value, will be 8. So the answer will be 848. Okay ji, multiply 268 with 3. So starting as usual with the ones place, 8 3s are 24. So I'm writing 4 here and taking carry on the tens, which is 2. So let's see what is in the next step. In step 2, 6 3s are 18. Okay, and 18 plus 2 equals to 20. So I am writing 0 here and taking the 2 carry on hundreds. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 equals to 8. 804. Here is 804. Now student, this is the video link for your learning, and this is wrap up. You will learn today how to arrange the columns from ones to hundreds, and how to take the place value after one by one, step by step, and how to get the answer. The home task is that from the book page number 87 to 89, fill all the blanks, and there is a little copy work from you from page number 89, question 2, and you will have to do 4 parts from A to D on your notebooks. Thank you so much, class.